Look at this beautiful Tegenungan Waterfall and the exciting glass bridge located in the lush Gianyar Regency near Ubud. This iconic waterfall is a popular attraction in Bali. To reach the base, take a short but steep trek down a set of stairs. The effort is definitely worth it. As you descend, the sound of the falls becomes louder, and the view of water flowing down the rocky cliff is truly captivating. The lush tropical surroundings create a peaceful oasis, ideal for unwinding and recharging. A must-see for nature enthusiasts and those looking for tranquility in Bali's beautiful outdoors.